Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. Today we are making the best quinoa burgers ever. You can save money by making meatless meals like this, and quinoa is almost a complete protein in and of itself. I am not too fond of quinoa, but there are a few recipes I do like with it, and this is probably my favorite. I can just munch on these plain like a snack. They're kid-friendly and they are liked by quinoa haters. The link to this recipe is in the description box. First, you rinse your quinoa to get the bitter coating off of it. Put your quinoa and the water into a small saucepan. Bring it to a boil and then turn it down to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it is done. The pictures show you uncooked quinoa on the left and cooked quinoa on the right, so you can see the difference. When the quinoa is done, let it cool and then put it into a medium bowl. Start adding your spices and your salt and your pepper. Then add your breadcrumbs and the Parmesan cheese and stir. Last, add 3 eggs and stir. Put a little bit of oil in a nonstick pan, griddle, or skillet. Shape the quinoa mixture into patties and put them directly into the pan until there's a full layer. Let them cook for about 6 to 8 minutes on each side. Then take them off the griddle and then start cooking the next batch until they are finished. When you make them yourself, you can make bigger burgers or you can make smaller burgers if you have little kids. You will love these little burgers. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.